Okay, this is the alignment and assignment rules for the free safety in this 5-2 cover one. Um, okay, your alignment rules are pretty simple. You're going to be at the center of the formation at 8 yards. In a trips or tray look, you're going to be on the inside shoulder of the number three at 8 yards. Okay, your pass assignment is you're going to effectively just take the deepest number two or number three, and your base run assignment is alley support. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these alignments. Okay, in this power eye personnel, okay, you're just going to split the field. All right, and remember free safety in our defense, the corners are locked up man to man. So you are primarily focused on the deepest number two and number three coming down the field. Okay. Same thing here. They have one, two, three wide receivers. This is kind of like a modified trips tray. So you're going to be on the inside shoulder of the number three. Okay. When you read run, okay, you're just coming up for alley support. All right. That usually means you're running the alley this way or you're running the alley this way. If they come up the middle, we expect the Mike or the Will to take care of anything in the A and B gaps, but you can also fill there too. But we're primarily looking for you to have alley support. Okay. So your read is actually the quarterback. Okay. So you are looking at the quarterback's eyes and shoulders, right? And you are jumping, you're a ball hawk, okay? So you have no single man wide responsibility. You are just cover one zone. You're the deepest man, and you're going up and winning any balls in the air. Okay, if we look into this ace look, free safety, you're just going to split the field. Okay, remember the number ones on both sides are going to be locked up by our corners. Okay, so you are primarily looking at the number two wide receivers. You're looking for these seam routes, these two vertical routes, something like that. You're reading the eyes of the quarterback and jumping. If they run, then you're alley support. Okay. Same thing here at Ace Twins, right? This is effectively a tray look because they have three wide receivers to one side. So you're going to line up at 8 yards on the inside shoulder of the number three, and you're going to take the deepest number two and number three here. Okay. The number one on this side is going to be locked up by the corner. The number one on this side is going to be locked up by the corner. Okay. This is like a twins Y, so a slot wide receiver look. Okay. You're primarily focused on this number two and this number two. Okay. These two are going to be locked up man to man. All right. Now, what you're going to see, because you're going to be reading the quarterback, right, is we're going to see a lot of go routes here from the X and the Z, the number ones. And as soon as you make that read, you can go get that ball. Okay. Um, that's 100%, what you're going to be doing here. So let's take a look at 10 personnel, same thing. Okay. You're just going to split the wide receiver. You're going to take the deepest number two or number three um, to either side of the field, reading the eyes of the quarterback. As soon as the quarterback throws the ball, then you are just a ball hawk. Okay. Just to let you know what your coverage is in front of you. Okay. So these corners are man to man. This safety is going to drop into this hook curl zone. The Mike is going to drop into this hole, and the Will is going to drop into this hook to curl zone. So you're going to have one layer at about 5 to 6 yards. So that's going to be your first layer of linebackers, and then you are the free safety behind them. No one gets behind you. Okay.